Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading out on a very special journey to Brahmagiri Hills located in Trimbakeshwar, Maharashtra. This place is not just known for trekking but also for its spiritual significance. It's believed to be the origin point of the sacred Godavari river. We are driving towards Trimbakeshwar right now. The roads are scenic, surrounded by hills and greenery, especially if you are coming during monsoon. It takes about an hour from Nasik, and the drive itself feels like a breath of fresh air. You will also notice how peaceful and untouched this area is compared to the city life. Brahmagiri Hill, where we will be trekking today, is just next to Trimbakeshwar, one of the 12 Jyotirlings of Lord Shiva. We are now heading towards the starting point of Brahmagiri trek. You will see a board or gate that marks the entry. There is usually a ticket counter at the base. You will need to pay a small trekking fee. From here the trek begins. It is roughly 750 plus steps to the top, with some natural trails mixed in. The climb can be a bit steep at places, but the views and the peacefulness makes it all worth it. So the trek has begun. The first section is made of these long stone steps. They're wide enough and well maintained, but yes, they do go steep after a while. So pace yourself. It's not a race, it's more about the journey. You will see a lot of monkeys on the way, like a lot. Just make sure you don't carry any food in your hand. They usually don't bother you unless provoked. We have now reached Gangadwar. It's believed that this is the point where the sacred Godavari river first appeared from the mountains. There's this peaceful vibe here. Some people even end their trek here itself. But if you are up for it, the real experience is still ahead. We are heading all the way to the top of Brahmagiri Hill.
अनय अनय ये लो देखो
Look at that. You can see the entire Trimbakeshwar town from here. You can even spot the Anjaneri hills in the distance. We finally made it to the top of Brahmagiri Hill. It took us around 1.5 hours to 2 hours with break. And trust me, the effort is completely worth it. There's something magical about sitting at the top. The silence, the breeze, and the energy. It's a spiritual detox. No phones, no rush, just you, the sky, and the mountains. This is the Brahmagiri temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and the origin of Godavari. You will also find Kund here, where the Godavari is said to emerge from the rocks, often called Dakshin Ganga. Long ago, a highly respected sage named Rishi Gautam lived and meditated on the Brahmagiri hills with his wife Ahilya. They lived a life of great tapasya, dharma, and service to others. But one day, some jealous rishis who were envious of Rishi Gautam's rising power and spiritual influence conspired against him. They created an illusion where a cow appeared and entered Gautam's ashram. When Gautam Rishi tried to drive it away using kusha grass, it fell down dead. Killing a cow, that is Gau Hatya, was considered a great sin, Mahapap. Even though he was innocent, Rishi Gautam took full responsibility and went into tapasya on Brahmagiri hill, praying to Lord Shiva to purify him. Moved by his devotion, Lord Shiva appeared before Gautam Rishi and granted him a boon. Gautam Rishi requested Lord Shiva to release the holy Ganga on this land so that he and the area could be purified from the sin. Lord Shiva agreed and struck the Brahmagiri mountain with his Trishul, and from that place Ganga appeared in the form of river Godavari. That's why Godavari is called Gautami Ganga and is believed to have been brought to earth due to Gautam Rishi's tapasya. Just a little ahead from the main temple is the Jata Mandir, another peaceful spot. According to the local beliefs, this is where Lord Shiva's Jata, that is hair, touched the earth, releasing the Ganga. It's a smaller temple, not crowded, but if you are someone who enjoys spiritual places with natural beauty, this one's a hidden gem.
कैसा लग रहा है? Can I show you how you are feeling?
We have finally reached the top of Brahmagiri, and honestly, it's even more beautiful than I imagined. The whole valley below is covered in clouds. It's like standing above the sky. For a moment, everything felt still, no noise, no rush, just clouds floating all around, and the mountain's breeze touching your soul. This view, it's not just something you see with your eyes, it's something you feel. It's peaceful, magical, and truly unforgettable. I am so grateful I got to experience this. We have started our descent now. Coming down is definitely easier than climbing up, but still take care on the slippery or narrow sections. This trek isn't just about climbing a hill, it's a blend of nature, mythology, and mindfulness. Brahmagiri teaches you patience, connects you to something bigger, and gives you memories that stay with you long after you return. That was one amazing day. If you ever visit Nasik or Trimbakeshwar, don't miss Brahmagiri Hill, but come prepared, respect the environment, and take time to absorb the experience. If you enjoyed this vlog, do give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow travel lovers, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you soon in another journey to another beautiful place. Har Har Mahadev.